Now, this next one, Brian, this one is best seen through pictures. So make sure you open this up and we talk through it. So, like I said, all good presentations, especially stuff that's graphical, has pictures, people. This is amazing. So this thing that I want to talk about is called rich text for terminals. So we've talked a lot about how it's great to have GUIs and web apps and stuff like that that's very visual for the presentations, which are still true. But a lot of times you just want something in a little terminal app, command CLI app. And it would be nice if it wasn't just all one plain color or just, all text left aligned. So there's this cool project called Rich. And Rich lets you have up to 16.7 million colors for your terminal colors, not just like 8 or whatever it is, red and light red, like 16.8 million colors. It supports bold, dim, italics, underline, strike through, and even, please don't use it, the blink tag. So you could put the blink tag out there. You can have text that's left aligned, centered, right aligned, justified. Supports like Chinese and Korean. It has emojis, like you can put apple colon, and an apple shows up. You can, as part of a string, put little escapes. So you can say this word is bold magenta, and then here's the rest of the words, and just print that thing out. So you have like inline styling. Tables. You have beautiful tables like in the terminal.
Those are nice.
Those are really nice. Syntax highlighting for code. So you can print out Python code with line numbers and it'll highlight it. And it even has markdown support. So you could write markdown and it renders it as its own version of rich text, not quite HTML or something like that, but it has, bulleted lists and like titles and whatnot. It even has progress bars and logger support and all kinds of stuff. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, and the logger handling is actually pretty great. So yeah. It's nice.
Yeah, so if you're working on a terminal app and you're like, we're just going to keep it this way, but I want it to look nicer, I want it to look a little more professional. Yeah, this is like kind of your all-in-one, do a bunch of cool stuff here. You can even have multiple progress bars all updating in parallel on the screen. So if you've got a bunch of downloads, you can indicate them all happening or something like that, a bunch of jobs running.
Sweet.
So yeah, this is a cool project.
Might have to add this to cards. That'd be cool.
That would be awesome. Yeah, it definitely would. It even has like all of that support for Windows. If you use the new Windows console or terminal, I guess is the word that they're now using, because console, I guess, is the old school thing. And Microsoft's like, no, we all have terminals now. And you can go get that you probably don't have that on Windows. It's in preview, but you can get it on the Windows Store for free. And I link to that as well. So if you're on Windows and you want a better terminal in general that supports this kind of stuff, check that out too.
Interesting. Is that gonna? Do you know if that'll roll into the normal, just all releases of Windows at some point?
I would hope so. Maybe. It's still in beta. Well, I guess we'll have to see, but it would be nice, right? It'd be one step closer to parity across all these platforms, which is always good.
Yeah, I just use the Bash terminal for Git for Windows. Comes with a Bash terminal. So
right. Now, thank you for watching this segment of the Python Bytes podcast. This video was made during the recording of the full episode. Visit pythonbytes.fm and get the whole story. Subscribe to the podcast and get the entire episode delivered to your phone. Please support our work by taking one of the courses at pythonbytes.fm/courses or learning PyTest with Brian's book at pythonbytes.fm/PyTest. Finally, visit our sponsor shown on the screen here. Visit the link on the screen and get the special offer for Python Bytes and YouTube listeners. Thanks, and have a great rest of your day.